Hey guys, how are you? I'm a state certified driving instructor, both hands on the wheel. We have a great opportunity. We're going to be driving through some roundabouts. So what do you need to do as a beginning driver? You want to drop your speed. You want to stay in the appropriate lane. If you're going straight through, you need to be to the right. In the straight through lane, you can either go right or go straight. So I'm squeezing my brakes and going in really slow. And I'm turning really easy to the right, nice and smooth, being nice and predictable. It's almost like a dance, a driver's ed dance. So we have other signs here, divided highway ends. I saw that brownish tannish car pull out. I'm looking for brake lights. The truck driver got over. I'm lifting my foot. The temptation is to go really fast and fill that gap. That's the wrong thing to do because you're going to go into the next roundabout and you're going to lose control. So I want to illustrate to you what you're supposed to do. I'm squeezing my brakes. I'm looking left, going in slow and easy. You can look how the cars move. I'm looking left, going in real easy and nice and smooth. And then I'm accelerating out. You do not want to be behind large trucks. So I'm going to keep my distance. And I'm going in nice and smooth. Speed control's pretty good. Look at the volume of traffic ahead. So what does this mean to you as a beginner? Back off cars. Don't tailgate. Keep good space. Stay smooth. Be predictable. As a beginning driver, you want to go really fast. You're not going to have time to slow us down. And you won't be able to yield to traffic to the left. So I'm going, ooh, saw that car come. I was already in the intersection. Now I'm out. I'm going in smooth. The speed limit is 35. I'm at about 27. The warning sign ahead of you tells you drop speed to 20. So I'm squeezing my brakes. This truck to my left is blocking my view, so I'm going to keep my space. I'm looking, checking. I proceed in, and then I manage my speed and space pretty nicely, and then I'm going through. We have another roundabout which is very confusing. Again, I want to take my time. I want to be patient. I want to be predictable. You have to yield to traffic that's already in the roundabout. I'm squeezing my brakes. I want to keep my distance. I always teach my drivers keep distance. They turn the blinker on at the last second. That's a good blinker right there. I got another roundabout. I'm looking left, looking right before I get here. I'm teaching you as we go along. So I'm squeezing my brakes, yielding to traffic. I'm looking left and right. I'm squeezing. It's open. I'm watching the white car, see the lady walking. And then I accelerate out smoothly. This warning sign tells me the right lane in, so I'm going to get over. And that is really smooth. Also on curves, beginning drivers tend to go way, way under speed, 7, 12 under, or 5 or 6 over. And these warning signs and the curvature of the road give you information. So we've had chevron alignment signs. We've had roundabouts. So I'm maintaining a good distance, being nice and smooth, going in really easy, and I want to be predictable. If I turn the wheel too fast, the rear of the car will spin out. We're on a curvy road. How do I know we hit? Ooh, there's a skunk. Oh, it smells bad. There's a chevron alignment signs to the right. This means there's a curvy road to the left. And again, I have a good following distance. I'm going to count it from this white car, from the sign 1001, 1002, 1003. I'm about 4 seconds away. It's about a car lane for every 10 miles an hour. So I have good following distance. I see the person walking the dog. I'm scanning the road, being predictable. And we're on this curvy road, which is also extremely dangerous. So you get roundabouts, you get curvy roads, you get chevron alignment signs. There's a lot of information in here, and it can overwhelm a beginning driver, and it can fatigue an experienced driver. So you're getting both elements in here and you just want to be smooth, even if you're running late. If you run late and you're on that gas, you're going to skid into the ditch. I'm squeezing my brakes. I'm looking ahead. So you want to be balanced. You get better fuel economy. You have great vehicle control. And driving is more enjoyable. And you can tell from what I'm doing and giving you this content that I'm narrating how you need to drive, because I'm an instructor and I want you to learn and observe from this. So I'm really smooth right now, taking my time and showing you great speed control. I also want to give you ideas on when you need to slow down. At the green sign, I'm turning on my right turn signal because I'm going to be making a right turn. I'm squeezing my brakes really easy. I want to see the rear of the tires on the ground, just in case there's a rear end collision. I don't have the secondary collision. Oh, it is a little bit intense. I'm not going to lie to you. You know, the curves, the roundabouts, cars coming. I would not be honest to you if I'm saying, oh, this is a great day in the park. It challenges anyone. If you're an experienced driver, you've got to fall back on your fundamentals, your experience. If you're a beginning driver, you don't have anything to guide you. How fast should you go? Should you go slow? Should you go fast? Should you go faster? What if your windshield wipers don't work? You know, what if the light changes in the middle of the intersection? So I'm being patient and looking at how fast do you have your windshield wipers real fast like this? Do you have them a little bit slower? So this is at medium speed. I will be making a right turn. So inside view, I'm looking left and right. They turn their blinker on at the last second. That's not good because I would have rear-ended them. And I'm going in slow. There's a warning sign, school zone. Lift your foot, start scanning for kids, take your time. I'm maintaining good distance. And I have pretty good lane position. A lot of beginning drivers put themselves in the middle, and as you can see, I'm more to the right. That is incorrect. And I'm lifting my foot, keeping good speed, good space, taking my time. So let's review. I'm a state certified instructor. If this brought you value and you learned something today, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. I do driving tutorials. I want to say thank you. Bye.